Let us do one thing. Instead of okay, we were on this worksheet, right? 42. Anant, till here we have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we'll be doing from 43.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. 43 to 62 we will be doing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have 15 minutes to do this. And after 15 minutes, it is right now 44, 11:44. So 12:05. I think 15 minutes are more than sufficient for you all. So 12 o'clock,
Yes, ma'am.
we will be discussing these answers. Do these answers, send your answers on the group. Okay, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. We have Anant, Anmol, and Pranjal in the meeting, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Beta, any doubts? Do ask. Shivam, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Do these answers, and 12 after after 12 we will be discussing these answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, 3 minutes left.
No, no, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. करिए, चलिए काम करिए. चलिए, class done. Children done.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. We have only 5 participants in the class. Ayush Gupta is the recent one who has joined. So Ayush Gupta will take time in doing these answers. By the time all the 4 participants, those who are there. Shivam, how many questions you have done till now? Shivam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. 13.
13 you have done, no? Fine. So you carry on with your answering part. When your turn will come, you answer the question, right?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. So Anant, first political experiment was done in Anant. Do you know the answer to this question? अनंत हो आप यहाँ पे बेटा? अरे भाई अनंत, can you hear me? अनंत, हे प्रभु कहाँ चले गया बेटा अनंत? आयुष, प्रांजल,
Yes, ma'am.
प्रांजल 43 का आंसर बताओ. First political experiment was done in
Ma'am, Chicago.
बताओ.
Ma'am, Chicago.
शिकागो नहीं. क्या हुआ इसका आंसर बताओ भाई.
Ma'am, France.
और बताओ.
France and Germany.
हाँ, फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. रुको.
My connections were lost there. That's why.
Okay, no problem. The first political experiment was done in France and
Germany.
Germany.
Germany. ठीक है. Next is who in France has exclusive right to vote? Who in France has exclusive right to vote? प्रांजल बताओ.
Ma'am, active member.
वोट एक्टिव मेंबर तो स्टेट जनरल को वो करते थे ना सेलेक्ट. वोट करने का राइट.
मैम प्रॉपर्टी ओनिंग मैन.
हाँ, प्रॉपर्टीड मैन कह दो या प्रॉपर्टी ओनिंग मैन. ठीक है, प्रॉपर्टीड मैन लिख दो, वो ज्यादा बेटर है. वेरी गुड. हु वर एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम वोटिंग?
Ma'am,
Women's.
मैम
Women
व्हेन men without property and women's.
बेटा इसका आंसर फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट वाज डन इन लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी होगा. ठीक है, ये बीच में कॉमा नहीं है. इसका आंसर होगा 43 का आंसर होगा फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट वाज डन इन लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी. ठीक है, जर्मनी और फ्रांस नहीं होगा. ये जर्मनी फ्रांस दूसरे का आंसर होगा. वो करेक्ट कर लो इसको.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
मैम उसमें वो कॉमा लगा हुआ था ना, इसलिए
हाँ, वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट, वो हम करेक्ट कर देंगे सर. ये कॉमा को अवॉइड करो. ठीक है, कॉमा नहीं है. लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी है इसका आंसर. देन who were excluded from voting?
women
Ma'am,
and the person
Ma'am,
who
women
has
and person who don't have property.
हाँ, men without property and all women were excluded from voting. ठीक है.
Voting.
हाँ. What was the status of women? What was the status of women?
Ma'am, women were not allowed to vote and
नहीं,
contest in election.
स्टेटस क्या था उनको, उनको किसका दर्जा दिया गया था?
Ma'am, women's status was minor than
हाँ,
her husband.
ओके, तो हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे विमेन का स्टेटस बताना है. सो द स्टेटस ऑफ विमेन वाज ऑफ अ माइनर. ठीक है, ये कौन थे? अनमोल थे कि अनमोल थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, तो स्टेटस ऑफ विमेन वाज ऑफ अ माइनर. ठीक है. देन लिबरलिज्म इन इकोनॉमिक स्फेयर स्टूड फॉर व्हाट?
Equality of all before law.
नहीं, इकोनॉमिक स्फेयर में पूछ रहा है बेटा.
Ma'am, liberalization of marketing structure.
हाँ, liberalism in economic sphere stood for the freedom of markets and the abolition of state imposed restrictions on the movement of goods and capital. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. What was Zollverein?
Was to bind the German economy.
Zollverein क्या था?
Ma'am,
Zollverein.
Zollverein was a German custom union.
हाँ, it was a German custom union. या इसको आप केवल
Formed by
Zollverein,
initiative of
Coalition of German states.
आप सिंपल इसको ये भी लिख सकते हो that it was a customs union.
German.
Zollverein, हाँ, Zollverein was a
Okay.
customs union. ठीक है. Where and when was it formed? In 1840,
1834
in Germany.
In Pers-
ना in
Germany.
Germany. ठीक है. 1834 in Germany. Who initiated Zollverein? ये प्रूशिया ने करा था initiate. किसने करा था
Prussia.
initiate?
Prussia.
Prussia. Very good. Then there were dash barriers, paid dash duty.
Tariff
At-
barrier and custom duty. At
Very
each.
good. ये at each को आप हटा दो, ड्यूटी तक रखो इस क्वेश्चन को. So there were trade barriers and everyone had to pay the customs duty. ठीक है. What was the problem with the weights and the measures? कस्टम्स, ये जो आपका ट्रेड, ये जो मेजर्स थे और वेट्स थे, इनके साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? कोई प्रॉब्लम थी?
that every region have its own weight and measure system. It create time consuming calculation.
Very good. Every region or every state had their own currency, weight, and the measures, which created problem in calculations in the other areas where they were going for trade. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसको तो छोड़ दो, इकोनॉमिक्स थ्योरी को छोड़ दो. व्हाट वाज कंजर्वेटिज्म? देखो, ये न्यू कंजर्वेटिज्म आफ्टर 1815 हमने दिया हुआ है, तो हम ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द न्यू कंजर्वेटिज्म. ठीक है. अब आप from your book you can take help of for answering these questions. So what was conservatism? Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ, what was conservatism?
Approval of new ideas.
ना यहाँ पे आपको बेटा कंजर्वेटिज्म को डिफाइन करना है बच्चे.
Ma'am, a political philosophy that stresses the importance of tradition, established institution and custom, and preferred gradual development to quick change.
जी, this was conservatism. What was their belief? What was the belief of the conservatives?
Ma'am, they believe in gradual development to quick change.
They believed in what? Anmol?
Gradual development to quick change.
हाँ, they believed in
Right
gradual
to
development.
women should be given.
हाँ, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। या आप ये भी लिख सकते हो बेटा इसका आंसर, they believed in the established traditional institutions of state and society. ठीक है, they believed in the established traditional institutions of state and society. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which countries comprised the congress that met in 1815?
Ma'am, Austria.
और
Russia.
Britain,
ऑस्ट्रिया,
Ma'am,
ब्रिटेन,
Austria, Prussia,
Russia.
Russia, Britain.
very good, Austria, Russia, Prussia and Britain, very good. Next comes, who hosted the Congress of Vienna?
ma'am, Duke Metternich,
Duke Metternich, very good. This Duke belonged to which country?
Austria,
Austrian.
Austrian nation, very good. Which treaty was drawn by the Congress? Which treaty was drawn by the Congress?
Treaty of Vienna,
Treaty of Vienna.
Treaty of Vienna.
Treaty of Vienna. What was the objective of the treaty? What was the objective of the treaty?
Ma'am, to undoing most of changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic War.
Very good. Very good, Anmol. Treaty of Vienna, the object of the Treaty of Vienna was undoing most of the changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic Wars. Fine? Very good. Then which dynasty was reinstated?
ma'am, Bourbon,
Ma'am,
Bourbon
Bourbon
dynasty.
The Bourbon dynasty. Very good. The Bourbon dynasty was reinstated. Very good. चलिए अभी टाइम है हमारे पास, थोड़े से और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम, ठीक है बेटा। कह रहा है how were state boundaries created to check France from expanding? देखो ये आप जिस पैराग्राफ में से अभी आपने आंसर दिया बेटा, ये सारी चीजें वहीं पे दी हुई है, ठीक है, उसके अंदर ही है। अब आप हमें वहां से बताओ, अब हमें वहीं से बताओ कि NE किस कंट्री के लिए यूज किया गया है यहाँ पे? बताओ।
नीदरलैंड।
वेरी गुड, नीदरलैंड्स के लिए। BE इज फॉर
Belgium.
ma'am, Belgium,
बेल्जियम,
Ma'am,
वेरी गुड।
ब्रिटेन।
नहीं बेल्जियम, ब्रिटेन नहीं। RU किसके लिए करा गया है?
रशिया।
ma'am, Russia,
Russia.
रशिया, वेरी गुड। देन रशिया वाज गिवन टू व्हिच, रशिया was given to which this thing, which part was given to Russia?
Ma'am, Poland.
Very good. Then AVS dash given control of, what is this?
Russia,
AVS क्या है? नहीं, AUS बेटा, AUS है, ऑस्ट्रिया,
Austria होगा,
ऑस्ट्रिया was given control of,
रूसिया।
Russia,
ठीक है। Then
was given Germany।
हाँ, प्रूशिया was given बेटा, ऑस्ट्रिया was given control of
रूसिया।
northern, no, Austria was given control of northern Italy. Prussia was given a portion of
उसके आगे तो कोई
Saxony.
ब्लैंक नहीं है। ऑस्ट्रिया।
हाँ, तो वो गलत हो गया, वो
Given
ब्लैंक
control.
होगा। हाँ, ब्लैंक होगा वहां पे, ठीक है। Prussia was given control of portion of Saxony. Then Germany was added to
रशिया।
Germany was not added to anything. All the 39 states that were there, they were confined, they were kept untouched. ठीक है, ठीक है। Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which region was untouched?
Ma'am, the 39 states of Germany.
39
Ah.
states.
The 39 Confederation, German Confederation of 39 states were kept as untouched. What type of regime was set up in 1815?
I'm conservative.
Conservatives.
And what type of nature they had? This conservative regime which was there, it was of which nature? Monarchy, autocratic, anarchy?
Ma'am, monarchy.
Ma'am,
Monarchy.
autocratic.
Autocratic. It was autocratic. हमने कहा बुक में देखो बेटा, बुक में से ही पढ़ रहे हैं हम सब चीज बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. Page
हाँ.
number 11.
Yes. Now, what major issue did the liberal nationalists take up? The major issue taken up by the liberal nationalists was the freedom of
Ma'am,
press.
press. Yes, ma'am.
Was the freedom of press.
Press.
ठीक है? Then what were the impositions done by the conservative regimes? Page 11 पे आ जाओ दोबारा से. What were the impositions done by conservative regimes? बताओ क्या impositions लगाई गई थी conservative regime के द्वारा?
Ma'am, imposed censorship law to control what was said in newspapers, books, plays, and songs, and reflected the idea of liberty and freedom.
Very good. The censorship was
Associated
imposed.
with-
हाँ, censorship was imposed. Laws were made which did not give freedom to the newspapers, to the books, to the plays, to the songs to reflect the ideas of liberty and freedom. ठीक है? चलो, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, very good. Then coming to the age of revolution. What is meant by revolution? Can you tell? Can you tell?